Shelby County Mayor Lee Harris is warning the county is facing what he calls an unprecedented financial burden since the start of the Memphis Safe Task Force. Now, county commissioners say local expenses tied to the task force and the longest government shutdown in U.S. history drained general funds, and now they're borrowing $43 million to make up for the shortfall. Our Lauren Turman was there for the vote and is downtown with what this means for Shelby County taxpayers. Lauren.
Well, it is important to note that there did seem to be some confusion in terms of funding and expenses, especially when it comes to the Memphis Safe Task Force. County commissioners saying that Shelby County is facing a, quote, extraordinary fiscal challenge, and community members are asking for state resources to be redirected towards public safety initiatives and youth mental health programs.
The state is concerned about our fund balance in our conversations with them, so it is a little bit difficult to say exactly where we're going to end up FY26.
A contentious meeting Monday in the commission chambers with several items discussed in a $43 million loan approval. The money will be allocated to meet the funding needs for their current fiscal year after they say the Memphis Safe Task Force and government shutdown exhausted their emergency needs and the timing of reimbursement to county employees. Students also showed up to the meeting to discuss reassigning federal resources.
This is a systematic failure, a failure of access because the support simply is not wide enough or strong enough to meet the need. A failure of awareness because youth do not know where to go or who to trust.
Commissioners requested a waiver for emergency financing from the Tennessee Division of Local Government Finance for the interfund loan in the form of a tax anticipation note, meaning that this is expected to be a short-term loan as they await the receipt of property taxes and other revenue to recoup the funds. They also point to increasing cost from overcrowding at both county jails, which has now become unsustainable.
We have the responsibility to feed them, we have the responsibility to close them, and we have the responsibility to provide health care. That costs. So each year we renegotiate those contracts, and we negotiate them based upon an expected population. Well, we've exceeded that population. So when that happens, we have to come back before the county commission to let them know that our vendors require more money because we're taking care of more people.
And it was reiterated here tonight that because of the newness of the task force, any future expenses that come after this resolution was passed might not even be covered within that $43 million loan. But we are also told that something needs to be done on the long-term scale with the county's fund balance. In downtown Memphis, I'm Lauren Turman.